Highwayandheavyparts.com is your source for aftermarket construction and off-highway parts that save you time and money when you're on the job. Save up to 40% off OEM pricing with our wide variety of various diesel engine components for loaders, excavators, and more. Looking for technical support? Chat with the experts at HHP virtually or on the phone for help finding the right solution to bring your machine back online. Whether you're in the cab of the excavator or in the shop, quality replacement diesel parts are available 24/7 on highwayandheavyparts.com from your mobile device, tablet, or computer. With our new product search bar, we've increased the speed and selection of results to help you find the components you need. Just looking to browse our selection? From the Shop Parts menu, simply select Construction and Industrial. There, you'll find a wide selection of rebuild kits, gears, pumps, and more. Have your engine serial number ready for faster and accurate ordering. 2-day shipping is available on most orders from one of our regional warehouse locations nationwide. Save time and money with quick access to quality diesel engine parts from your virtual parts counter right at your fingertips. Chat with the experts on highwayandheavyparts.com or call us at 844-447-1453. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.